Hello everyone, my name is Carol and welcome aboard to Knitting on the Hook. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a flexible stitch holder using waste yarn and a ravel cord, which is a nylon cord that is placed between the main yarn and the waste yarn to help release the stitch holder. So with that being said, let's get to it. After cutting off the yarn, place a clothespin at the tail end. Take your ravel cord, thread your carriage, and hold it loosely in front of it so you can knit one row. Remove the ravel cord out of the carriage. Take your waste yarn and place it into the carriage and knit several rows. As you can see on the sample, we can see the blue live stitches that are between the red ravel cord and the white waste yarn. And by placing the waste yarn behind, we can clearly see our live stitches that we can now place back onto our needles. With your transfer tool, place it inside the stitch and hang the stitch back on the needles. This can be done with a single prong transfer tool, or to accelerate the process, you can use a double prong or even a triple prong transfer tool. To remove our stitch holder from our main garment, we need to do is just gently tug on the ravel cord and our stitch holder is released from our main garment. A stitch holder has many applications in machine knitting, from increasing multiple stitches at once on the needle bed to picking up live stitches to knit a neckband, as well as a provisional cast on. So if you would like to know more about this and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the red button in the corner of the screen and it's going to take you straight to it where you can browse around. Thank you for watching Knitting on the Hook. Bye for now.